Kechara Media and Publications Department is a department that was my brainchild. That's been in my mind for many years that I want to develop. And I want to develop a publication company that specifically caters to contemporary, applicable, modern, deep Buddhism without all the superstitions, without all the heaviness behind it. I want to express and I want to share a type of Buddhism with the world that is deep, that is authentic, that is based on great masters' teachings and great Dharma texts, yet approachable, very contemporary, and extremely applicable to our daily lives.
Kechara Media and Publications, affectionately known as KMP, was born in 2006 as a not-for-profit publishing house with the sole objective of spreading the teachings of His Eminence, Tsem Tulku Rinpoche, to as many people as possible. It was set up by students of His Eminence who wished to share with the world the tremendous benefit of these teachings. This small but dynamic group comes from all walks of life, with professional qualifications and diverse backgrounds, ranging from corporate figures to award-winning journalists. They are united in their common passion for benefiting others. The team continuously strives to employ creative methods and technology to make this 2,500-year-old Buddhist wisdom accessible, engaging, and wonderfully practical for our 21st century lives.
Kechara Media and Publications is a publications department that I wanted to create within our organization that can bring authentic, deep, real Buddhism that I have learned from many great masters for the last 30 years of my life, that can be brought out to the world, that is extremely approachable, packaged well, that has a contemporary look and feel, yet, let me stress, every word is authentic, yet expressed in a very contemporary manner.
His Eminence, Tsem Tulku Rinpoche, was born in Taiwan and grew up in America. He found the Dharma with his root guru, His Holiness Dzong Rinpoche, and at the age of 22, he went to the home of his previous lives, Gaden Monastery. Gaden is home to 3,000 monks and was founded by the Buddhist scholar and saint, Lama Tsongkhapa, in the 14th century. Lama Tsongkhapa's teachings spread from the land of snows in Tibet to Gaden Monastery in India to Kechara in Malaysia. And from Malaysia, His Eminence has brought his teachings to Nepal and the world. His Eminence, Tsem Tulku Rinpoche, shares ancient wisdom with a contemporary approach. He reaches out to people from all walks of life via books and DVDs in English and Mandarin and online on Kechara.com and Amazon.com. Our books and DVDs are also widely available at our Kechara outlets in Kuala Lumpur and Petaling Jaya in Malaysia. They are also available in leading bookstores in the Southeast Asian region. KMP is very grateful to the many sponsors and supporters who have selflessly and generously contributed towards KMP and our work for Rinpoche's teachings to benefit as many as possible. We are continuously seeking sponsorship for our future works so that we can expedite Rinpoche's vision and plans and bring the precious teachings of Dharma to many more. Please contact us to find out more on how you can contribute towards this exciting and engaging work to bring Dharma to others.
Our job in Kechara Media and Publications is to bring these ancient texts, these ancient teachings, and these ancient thoughts, and the message of compassion and wisdom, and not only just empty words of message of compassion and wisdom, but how to develop and where it starts and what we should do if we can bring this message to the world in a very contemporary manner.